Hello, welcome back to another programming tutorial. Sorry I haven't been very active lately. It's been because I've been really swamped with homework. But anyways, I'm going to be talking about FizzBuzz. What is FizzBuzz? FizzBuzz is a pretty common interview question, but originally, FizzBuzz is a group word game for children to teach them about division. Players take turns to count incrementally, replacing any number divisible by 3 with the word fizz and any number divisible by 5 with the word buzz. And as you can see, a lot of people do it with different programming language. Let me show you a simple example in JavaScript. So it's just going to loop through 100 times, and if they're both divisible by 3 and 5, it'll print FizzBuzz. If it's divisible by 3, it's going to print fizz. If it's divisible by 5, it'll print buzz. Otherwise, it'll just print the number. And we're going to do a very simple example. So I'm going to be doing this in Golang, but it's pretty simple. You can do it in any language. So and we're going to loop through 100 times. So it'll say we're going to start counting at 1 instead, and while I is greater than or equal to 100, while I is less than or equal to 100, we're going to increment, and we're going to run this. If I is divisible by 15, and that equals 0, then we're going to print FizzBuzz. And you might want to ask, like, why didn't I just put divisible by 5 and divisible by 3? This includes both of them, and it's much more convenient. That's why I did it. And I'm just going to copy this, so I have to type less. Divisible by 5, I'll print buzz. Else, if it's divisible by 3, I'll print fizz. Otherwise, I'm going to print I. Now, there are many variations of this, and you can do it whatever way you want to. This isn't the best way to do it. There are many other ways to make it more performant and look cleaner, but right now we're just going to try out this. So let's compile it. Let's save that first. Okay, I'm going to scooch this up there. Okay, and that's slash FizzBuzz. Bam, we have FizzBuzz. So, okay, it looks like 75 is a FizzBuzz. 95 is a buzz because it's divisible by 5. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And yeah, it was pretty nice. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.